snake sound. అయితే ఏంటది?
S-A-T. What is the sound of S, Rohita?
Snake.
Snake.
Sat. It's sat. Okay. And then, okay. F.
చెప్పు.
F fatty fat.
Good.
Fat. R.
Smaller.
Small fatty fat.
Huh?
Small fatty fat.
గట్టిగా చెప్పు, గట్టిగా.
Small fatty fat.
No, అది R.
R.
R ఏంటి? R అంటే ఇలా. గట్టిగా చెప్పు.
Okay. H. Hat. M.
అదే తర్వాత కంప్లీట్ చేయి.
At.
తర్వాత ఏంటి?
M-A-T. Mat. At. Mat. Mat. Very good, Rohita. Zadi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on, read
Yes, ma'am.
80 words. 80 words.
Good morning, Vanilla ma'am. Have a good day.
Have a good day, Kavyani. Good morning. Next. Good. Good.
This one.
This one. B A T.
What word you are reading, ma? VAT, yeah. Need not read VAT and VAT is bad. VAT is bad. Okay. This one you read.
And
What is it? Fat. Fat. Okay. This one. Okay. This one.
This one.
R-A-T. What is it?
R-A-T.
What is it?
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Sanjika.
Where?
R-A-T at rat. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Zeddy. Children will continue as AT session afterwards. We'll first start our session with Kidzi Anthem. Dev Krish, ready?
Ready, ma'am.
Yeah, come on. All of you join your hands and close your eyes, children. Yeah, all of you join your hands and close your eyes.
Wait.
1 minute, ma. 1 minute. 1 minute. Let everyone.
Wait.
All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Kidzi Anthem.
Start.
Kidzi Anthem. Your is it to me. Your is Fana. Your is Munir. My put the channel song. Giving my son.
Saptam.
Beautify me. My pocket channel song. Today I pledge to all my life. Wait till the
Thank you, Devkresh. Good morning, children. Very good morning, everyone. Unmute and tell me good morning, everyone. I want to Yes, very good morning. Are you all ready for the activity? Are you all ready for the activity? First, we are going to do the roly-poly. Okay? Yes, roly-poly first. That is opposites. Okay? Have to do the action correctly, children. Okay? Roly-poly, roly-poly. What is this?
Up, up.
Roly-poly, roly-poly. Roly, right. Roly poly, left. Again, do the action. Everyone mute yourself. Yeah. Good. Everyone mute yourself. Pranita, mute yourself. Then only you can hear me, children. Okay? Roly poly, front, front, front. Roly poly, back, back, back. Rohita. Roly poly, big, big, big. Do the action, Rohita. Roly poly, small, small, small. Roly poly. What is this? Doll, doll. Roly poly. Roly poly. Roly poly. Roly poly. What is it?
Open.
Open. Roly poly. Ashley is not doing.
No, ma'am, there is nothing, ma'am.
Now another rhyme, okay? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around, turn around. Will you turn around? Not like that, Rohita. Turn around is like this. Okay? If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray.
All చెప్పు.
If you're happy and you know it, hooray. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Happy and you know it, say good morning. And you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it. Yes, very good, very good. And you all remember the rocket rhyme, children?
All the people say goodbye. Go the action of the rocket.
Very good, Harshni. Tarnika also knows, huh? Come on, Tarnika.
Going up the stairs with the white moon, it will race. To all the people say goodbye.
പാട്.
Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. All the people say goodbye. Go see astronaut in his rocket eye.
Very good. Well done, Danvin, Hashini, Tarnika. Then who else knows? Janavi knows. Rohita. Who all knows the rhyme? Very good, children. You memorized it very well. Kavyani, you know the rhyme? Rocket, rocket.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know, Rohita. No problem, Rohita. Kartikeyan knows the? Nate, Kartikeyan, Devgrav. Yes. Sorry? No, why no? I told you to learn, right? Okay, today ma'am will again sing for you, okay? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Yes? Rocket, rocket, going up in space. With the white moon, it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket high. Okay, tomorrow I want all of you to learn the rhyme, children. It is in your rhymes book itself. Okay, come on, let's start our attendance. Ready for the attendance, everyone? Yes, Darshika. Darshika.
My name is Dashika, studying Junior KG.
Very good. Devrakita. Devkrish.
My name is Devkrish. I am studying in Junior KG.
Danvin.
My name is Danisha. I am in Junior KG.
Dikshan. 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 Wow, okay. Farnaz. 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 I saw you, so I'm marking you, Farnaz. Hashni.
Coach, my name is Asanya. Coach.
Yeah, Farnaz, tell me your
My name is
attendance.
Anna Fatma. I am studying in Junior.
Very good,
Good
Farnaz.
morning, ma'am. I am Anna Fatma. I am studying Junior KG. 4 years old.
Very good, Farnaz. Janavi.
My name is Janaki. Okay.
Kartikeyan. Very good.
My name is Kartikeyan. Children Junior KG 4 years old.
Kavyani.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, Manila, ma'am. My name is Kavyani. I'm studying in Junior KG. I'm 4 years old. I'm
Very good,
critical.
Yeah, Naitik.
My name is Naitik. I am studying in Junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Naitik. Nukshita. Nukshita. Pranita. Pranita. Rohita.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapa, my name is Rohita.
My name is Sweta 4 years old. I'm Junior KG.
Okay, Ritvik. Very good. Ritvik.
I am Ritik. I am studying. I am 4 years old.
Nukshita, tell me your attendance, Nukshita. Yeah, very good, Ritvik.
I'm Junior KG.
Yeah, Nukshita, tell me your attendance, ma.
My name is Nuchita. I am 7 Junior KG. I'm first old.
Nitila. Nitila. Nitila.
My name is Sitila.
My name is
Sattama.
My name is Priya.
I'm studying
I'm studying
Junior KG. Sattama.
Junior KG.
Very good, Satvika. Satvika.
My name is Satika Shri. I'm studying in Junior KG.
Very good, Satvika. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good. Vishank.
Inna.
Say.
Ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Vishank. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Vishank. Vivant.
Hello. Going to
Vivant.
stand on junior KG.
Okay, Vivant. Vidyut.
I am calling her.
Good morning, my friend.
Good morning, ma'am.
I am with you.
I am Nitu.
Starting in junior KG.
Studying in junior KG. For
Didn't
a
have
start.
doubt. I am Vidyut. I am junior KG. Okay. Zeddy.
My name is Jedi. I am holding a salt. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Zeddy. Lakshana. 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 It's absent. Okay. Thank you, children. Okay, do you all remember the sound which I taught you on Friday, children? Do anyone remember the sound which I taught you on Friday?
Please give me.
Yes, I taught you any sound, right? Yeah, Lakshana.
Yes, ma'am. My name is.
Lakshana Munagedi.
Very good.
Talk about something.
Three sounds I taught you. Okay, mute yourself, Lakshana. Three sounds on that, right? Let us know who all remember this song. What is PH? PH, what is the action? What is the action I taught you for PH? Lakshana, mute yourself, Lakshana. Okay, next is SH. What is the sound of SH? What is the sound of SH? And the action is? Okay. And what is the sound of TH? Okay. Today we are going to see the words related to CH, SH and TH. Okay, children. Have to repeat in your own place itself, but don't unmute yourself. Okay. Have to do the action and repeat. If you see the CH word, you have to say ch like that. Okay. Cherry, chair, like that. Okay. Don't forget to do the action. So let's see. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Are you able to see? First, we are going to see the words. Okay? What is the action of the children? Have to nod your head. Okay? So, first is B-A-T-H, bath. Can you hear the sound here? Bath. Okay? Sound. Okay? Next is thumb. Thumb. Okay? You will bring your tongue front like this. Thumb. Okay? That is the sound. Okay? Next is mouth. Here, can you see the sound? Mouth. Okay? Next is teeth. Teeth. Sound. You can hear it, right? And next is thorn. You can see the TH also here. Thorn. Thorn. Okay? Think. 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 Next is thunder. Thunder. Next is three. Three. Okay? Next sound is this one. Here you are going to identify whether it is ch sound, sh sound or th sound. Okay? First one is chair. What sound is this, Danvin? Ch, sh or th? Chair. Very good. Next is Nightic.
Ma'am.
What sound is this? Shark. What
Shark.
action you will do? Very good, Naitik. Well done. Okay. Next is cherry. Janavi. Janavi. Cherry. What is the sound you see here? Cherry. Very good, Janavi. Okay. Next is Tarnika. Chin.
Yes, ma'am.
What sound you see here? Cha, cha. Very good. Next is Vishank. Chicken. What sound you see here? Vishank. Chicken.
Chicken.
What sound?
What sound is you see here? What sound do you hear here? Ch sound or sh sound or th sound?
Chicken.
What is this action, ma? Ch, ch, ch. Okay? Okay, thank you, Vishank. Next is Satvika. Ship. Ship. What sound do you hear here, ma? Ship. What sound do you hear here? Sh or th sound? What? Ship. Very good, Satvika. Okay, next is Janavi. Sorry, Hashni.
ma'am.
What sound do you hear? Cheese.
Kami action.
Cheese. This is cheese, huh? Cheese, okay? You can see the CH also here, no? So it is cheese, okay? Next is Nukshita. What sound do you hear here, ma? Shoe. Nukshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Shoe. Shoe. What sound do you hear? Sound or sound or sound? What sound? Do the action also. What sound can you hear? Sound, sound or sound? What sound? Very good, Nukshita. Okay, next is Devkresh. Devkresh. Watch. Very good, children. Okay, next sheet we are moving. Here you are going to see the sound pictures, okay? So the first one who is going to read it out, it is Farnaz. Farnaz.
Ma'am, worksheet number, ma'am, page number,
No,
ma'am.
it's not worksheet. Many of you don't have the worksheet. So I just did it on my own and I'm showing it to you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So if you have the worksheet, you can do it afterwards.
Okay,
Read
ma'am.
it out, ma. Farnaz, read it out.
Shark. Cat.
Yes?
Cat.
Sheep.
Cat.
Shoe. Shark. Okay? Like this you have to read. Okay, Farnaz? Okay, next we'll ask. Whom shall we ask? Vishank. Vishank. Vishank.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Which, ma'am, the mouse point.
What is it? I'm showing you here.
T-shirt.
Huh?
That T-shirt.
T-shirt. Oh my God. Is it a T-shirt? I've written here. SH is here. What is the sound of SH? What is the sound of
What
SH?
sound?
Shirt.
What is the sound? Ma? Do the action.
Ma'am, what is the action, ma'am? We didn't see that actually.
Keep quiet, we'll say no. Shh. Okay? Okay, next one. Next one. Next one. What is the next one, ma?
Sir, what is this? What is this? What is this? Listen here, ma'am.
Shank.
Vishank. What is this?
Ship.
What is the sound you hear?
What
What
sound?
is the sound and action?
Show it, ma'am.
Okay, next one.
What is this? Shells.
Huh?
Shells.
Shells. What sound do you hear? Very
Action.
good. Karthikeyan, thank you so much, Ishank. Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan. Yeah, come on, read it out, ma. You have to read and you have to tell me what sound you hear. Okay? What sound do you hear? Next. What sound? Okay, next.
Short.
Sound. What sound do you hear? Very good. Okay, next is Nightic. Nightic.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Nightic.
Shoot.
What sound? Next one. Next one. Ship. What sound? Okay. Next is shells.
What sound?
Shells. Okay. Okay, very good. Very good, Nightic. Okay, children, today we are going to learn a new concept, and that is singular and plurals. Okay? Singular and plurals. Okay? Singular means it's a single object. Okay, one object. Plural means it is many. So I have one finger in this hand and I have many fingers in this hand. Can you all see me also? Are you all able to see me? Yes? Yes, everyone, can you see me in the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One and many. Singular, plural. One and many. Okay. So one means it is singular and many means it is plural. Okay, children. So here we have one cat. Okay. Here you have one cat and here you have many cats. Okay. So to make it plural, you add a yes to it. Sound. Cats. Sound. What is the sound alphabet? What is it? Means? Dhanvin? Means what alphabet, ma? Yes. So when you add X to the singular word, it becomes plural. So here, do you see the S here? No, right? Why? Because it is singular. Only one cat you have here. And here you have many cats. So the ending sound is S. So we are adding S to it, okay? So when you add S to the singular, it becomes plural. Okay, so cat, cats. Next is dog, dog. Can you see it? Pranita, mute yourself, ma'am. Rohita, mute yourself. All of you mute yourself. I'm going to ask you one by one, so don't worry. Mute yourself. Dog, dogs. Dog, dogs. Is the same word continuing here. D-O-G, dog, and the same D-O-G is here. Tarnika? Tarnika, what we have added to this word, ma? To make it a plural. That's plural only. What we added extra to this word? Yes, that's what. When we add S to a singular word, it becomes plural. Dog. Here you see only one dog and here many dogs. Okay? Here. Only one car you see here. One car, many cars. Okay? One car, many cars. Okay? You see many cars here. Okay? Next one is, here you can see one duck. Duck. Okay? That's it. Duck. A single duck. Only one duck. And here you see two ducks. Will you say two duck? Will not say like that, right? Two ducks. So the ending sound is and we are adding S to it also. Okay? Ducks. Okay, children? Next one. First picture you see, it is a tree. Tree. Here, can you hear the S sound? Anyone answer? Can you hear the S sound here? S or no? Can you hear? Tree.
One tree, many tree.
Trees. Many trees.
No.
Okay, you have to end it with a sound. Okay.
Tree or
Here, one
and one book and
many
many books.
books. It's not book. Books. Can you see the S here? So many books. Next one is pencil. Okay, only one pencil you have here. And here you have many. Natik, what do you have here? Many? Pencils. Okay, sound should come at the last. Children, remember that. Okay, next is shoe. Only one shoe you have here. And what is the plural form for this? Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am. Shoe.
Very good. Okay, next is Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan, here you have cake.
One
Okay. One cake. And here you have many
candies.
candies. Many
Cakes.
cakes. Okay. And here next is Hashini. Hashini.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here you have one toy. And here you have many toys. Okay, sound should come at the last. Okay. Okay, yeah, you have to add yes to it. Okay. One more time, I'm asking this. Nukshita. What do you see here, Nukshita? One cake, many. One cake here, and you have many. Rohita, answer ma. Rohita.
Okay, over to
Many
One cake. Many cakes.
cakes. Okay. Next is Daddy.
Mama cake.
Yes.
One shoe. Unmute and tell me, ma. Many.
One suit. Two shoes.
One shoe. No S sound for this single shoe. Okay. One shoe, and here you have many.
One suit.
Many?
Many
Many
shoes.
shoes. Okay. Next is Kavyarni. Kavyarni.
One pencil.
Many.
Pencil.
Many pencil or pencils?
Pencil.
Pencil. No pencils. Pencils. Yes, it's here. No, at the last. Pencils. Okay. Next is Devkrish. One book.
One book. Books.
Many books. Okay. Next is one tree. Who is going to say this? Vidyut. One tree.
Right. That's it.
Many.
One tree.
This
Many.
four. Yeah, many. Said by three.
Okay, Farna. One tree. Many
Trees. Correct.
trees.
Many
Trees. Very good, Farna. Okay, next is Nitya. One duck. Many. One duck. Many. Unmute and tell me, ma. I'm not able to hear you. Okay, Janavi, answer, ma. One duck. Many. Duck. Many. Duck. Very good, Farnaz and Janavi. Very good. Hashni. Yeah, Hashni. One car.
Cars.
Cars. Very good. Next, now take one dog. Many dogs.
Many
Very good.
dogs.
One cat. Many one cat. Many
Cat.
cats. Yeah, very good. Okay, today's worksheet is also going to be based on that. This D94 ERP. D94 ERP. If you have a different worksheet also, there we are going to write just the plural form. You are going to copy the same word and you are going to add yes to it. So whatever worksheet you have, you please write the plural form for that.
Which page number, ma'am?
D94 ERP.
D94. Joyita, what are
You have a different worksheet also. So no problem. You can write only the plural form for that. So to make the plural form, we are going to add yes to it. Okay. Right. Today's date. Today's date is 23/11/2020.
Ma'am, page number at once, ma'am.
D94 ERP.
Ma'am, is it different for everyone, ma'am?
Yeah. Then it will be different for few of you.
Okay, ma'am. It's like train,
Okay, that
raft,
also you are
plane,
going
and
to
all.
write the plural form. So no issues. You need not worry. Just write the plural form. I think you will have train in that. I think so,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are going to add just yes to it.
Okay, ma'am.
So only the plural form we are going to write.
Joyita, same worksheet you have, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Because in the app it has been uploaded like this. I think for many of you another worksheet will be given. Anyway, we are going to write the plural form. So no need to worry about that.
Some other words also given in the box, ma'am.
No, we are not going to write like that. Only the plural form if we write, that is enough. They'll be asking to write train, runs, plane, flies, like that. But it is not necessary. First, we have to finish off with the plurals. Car, cars, plane, planes, train, trains, like that we'll finish. What are the words you have, Janvi's mom?
Yes, ma'am. Want to write by adding the yes.
Yeah, what are
Train,
the words?
trains, like that you are telling now, ma'am. Singular and plural words.
No. Tell me the words. What do you have? Train,
Train, plane, car, raft, ship, crane.
train, plane, car, ship,
Raft,
then
ship, crane.
rat,
Raft, raft.
rat.
R-A-F.
Okay. R-A-F.
RAFT, ma'am. RAFT.
Raft. Okay. Then 2, 4, 5 letters, 5 words you have said. Total you have 5 in that or 6?
6, ma'am.
Ma'am,
6 word, ma'am.
Another one? Huh?
6
Crane,
word.
crane. Last one is the crane.
I have written train, I have written plane.
No,
I've
ma'am,
written
crane.
car.
C-R-A-N-E, crane.
Crane.
Ma'am, can you please
Syllabus of B.Ed book.
please, ma'am?
Page number D94. Here you are going to add just yes. That's it. Train.
D94.
Train. Plane means plane. Car means car. Ship means ship. The total word you have to copy it in that 4 line. Ship, like this. Okay. Raft, rafts. Crane, cranes. Car, cars. The total word along with yes, you have to copy it down. Okay. Yes, others, those who have this new worksheet. For here also you are going to add S to it. Okay. So first one is car. Who is going to say the plural form for this? Car. What will be the plural form? One car, many cars. Next is one pig, many pigga or many pigs.
Many pigs.
Very good, many pigs.
Ma,
Yeah. One hen, many. Who is going to say night egg? One hen, many.
many
Many, what will come?
hens. Many hens.
End with a sound, ma. That's it. Hen, does it end with a sound? No, no. Hen. In sound it is ending, right? So it is a singular one. Hens. It ends with a sound. Okay, so it is a plural. Hens. Okay. Next one is map. One map. Many. Very good. Maps. I must hear the sound, children. Next is one cup, many. Ritvik. One cup, many. One cup, many. Many kappa, kapsa. Cups, very good. Okay, next is one toy. Many. Who is going to say? Yeah, Nitila. One toy, many.
One toy, many toys.
Toys. Super, ma. Very good, Nitila. Next is mug. One mug, many.
Capital P. Small p இது மாதிரி ஆகும். Small p இது மாதிரி.
Devkresh. One mug.
லைன் வரைய
Many.
போடாது.
Mugs. Very good. Satvika. Again, car is given. Okay. Satvika. One pen, many.
Many. ಹೇಳ್ಕಣ one pin many. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ma'am.
One pin,
Many.
You want to play with that?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ma'am ತ್ರೈಲ.
many.
I am telling.
One pin many.
Many
Pins. Okay.
pins.
Next is one dog, many. Steady. One dog, many.
Dogs. No dogs.
One dog, many.
Dogs.
Dogs. Very good. Steady. Here you write the same one. Cars. Try to follow the line, children. Okay. Once you finish this worksheet, I want all of you to bring any material that is countable. Okay. It's chocolate or badam, cashew, candies, whatever you have, bring it.
Now, ma'am.
Nut, or else dry chips.
Ma'am, now,
You have, you bring it.
తల్లి నీకు చాక్లెట్లు కావాలా బాదం
Ma'am, it's not writing, ma'am. Hashni.
Why, Mahashni? What happened? What happened, Hashni?
What happened? கேக்குறாங்க பாரு.
என்ன பண்ணீங்க அவள?
இல்ல மேம் ரொம்ப சேட்டை பண்ணா ஒரு அடி போட்டேன் மேம்.
ஏன் அப்படி பண்றீங்க?
ரொம்ப சேட்டை பண்றான் மேம்.
இருக்கட்டும், பரவாயில்ல, குழந்தைங்க அப்படிதானே இருப்பாங்க. Please. Okay, Hashni, I'll ask your mama, okay? You don't cry. Wipe your eyes. Come on. Wipe your eyes. Good girl, Hashni. Wipe your eyes.
Ma'am, when we need those counting materials, ma'am?
Any counting material, 5 or 6, whatever you have, you bring it.
When, ma'am? Tomorrow or today, ma'am?
Now.
Okay, ma'am.
Who is ready for talk time today? Who is ready for talk time? Let me know. Yeah, pencil good. Crayons also if you have. Naitik is ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Naitik ready. Karthikeyan is also ready.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Karthikeyan, are you ready?
No, ma'am.
1 minute. Karthikeyan, are you ready, Karthikeyan?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Rohit, I have talked to ma'am. Types of animals.
Types of animals is next week actually. Because last week we are continuing it this week, no? So next week she'll talk. If she is ready, she can talk. Ready, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, ready means let her talk, no issues. Okay, we'll finish up with the talk time. By the time, be ready with the materials, children. You can bring it, whatever you have. But if it's enough, if you bring only 5 or 6, that's enough. Crayon, pencils, eraser, whatever you have, you bring it. Groundnuts, chocolates, countable material, okay? Bring it, keep it ready. By the time we'll finish off with the talk time. Okay, yes, first finish, Rohita.
Okay. Rohit, నువ్వు టాక్ టైం చెప్తావా టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ యానిమల్స్ చెప్పే నోట్లో చాక్లెట్ పెట్టుకున్నావా జోడి
Come on, Rohita. Finish, ma. Eating, okay. Night finish.
చాక్లెట్స్ ఇస్తే
If you give chocolate, she'll eat only.
yes ma'am
Finish, no issues. Night finish your top 10 night.
టాక్ టైం చెప్తావా టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ యానిమల్స్
చాక్లెట్ తింటున్నాను.
Okay, Rohita's mom, no issues. Let her finish eating the chocolate. Then I'll ask her. Let
Okay.
Nightic finish. Nightic finish, ma Nightic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish your talk time and then you can write, okay?
Good morning. I am going to talk. My name is Naitik. I am going to talk about insects. Insects are very small animals. Insects are crawling around our home. Many insects are ants, mosquito, housefly, dragonfly, firefly. Firefly are yellow light. Cockroach, grasshopper. Thank you.
Very good, Nightic. Simple and sweet. Thank you so much, Nightic. Okay, next is Karthikeyan. Ready? Karthikeyan.
No, ma'am, it's not ready, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Rohita.
yes ma'am చెప్పు
Good
Devkrishna. Okay, Devkrishna. After Rohita, okay?
What?
టైప్స్ చెప్పు
A type of animal is a dinosaur.
ఫార్మ్ యానిమల్స్ ఫస్ట్ చెప్పు
Farmers are lizard, forest,
ఫార్మ్స్ నెక్స్ట్ వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్
lion,
రైట్ చెప్పు
venomous,
వైల్డ్ యానిమల్స్
wild live, forest,
నెక్స్ట్ మరి
and animals is water.
ఇంకా
Extinct animals, reptiles.
ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ యానిమల్స్ అంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చెప్పు రాత్రి మూవీ చూసుకు చెప్పు డైనోసార్స్ ఆర్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ యానిమల్స్ చెప్పు
Okay. Okay, let us say extinct animals. No problem. If it is not in order also, no issues. You don't stop her. When you stop them, no, they will forget everything. So please don't stop.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పు ఫార్మ్ యానిమల్స్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పు
Extinct animals.
తింది కానీ చెప్పు ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ చెప్పు
Extinct animals.
ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ యానిమల్స్ చెప్పమ్మా డైనోసార్
Dinosaur.
ప్రిపరేషన్ మాత్రం బాగానే చేస్తావు
Okay, Rohita. Become very playful nowadays, this girl. Okay, thank you so much, Rohita. Very good, but it was good only what you spoke. Yeah, very good.
మాత్రం వాళ్ళ డాడ్
Compared to previous talk time and all this, she was very clear. So I am happy about that. No need to worry.
ఓకే మ్యామ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
Devkrish. Yeah. Devkrish.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మ్యామ్ చెప్పు
Yeah, welcome, Rohita. Devkrish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on.
I am Dekrus. I am going to talk about aeroplane.
Aeroplane is a
Aeroplane is an what?
Aeroplane, sir.
land transport. Land transport,
Air transport.
Air transport, okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Speak there. Ma, this used to move.
It is used to move one place to another.
One place to another what?
What,
No,
Mati?
ma'am. Nowadays, Devkrish is not concentrating on the class, ma'am. I'm very much
No,
clear.
he's concentrating, only answering properly. I can see.
No, ma'am.
I can see him concentrating only.
And he's not obeying our words, ma'am. Seriously, he's always doing like an animals and dinosaurs only. He's not ready to do his homework also.
Why, Madev Krish? Is it so? No,
Seriously,
right?
I'm having a lot of complaints about him.
Oh no, I don't want to hear any complaint about Dev Krish. Dev Krish, you're a good boy, I know. Mama is saying simply no, yes or no? Mama is simply saying about you. Dev Krish will not do like that. Yes, Dev Krish? Oh my God, mood out. Why, Dev Krish, mom? Okay, come on, let's start our activity, children. All of you brought your materials? Yes, what did you all bring? Show me. Okay, now I want you to take one material in one hand and many materials in another hand. Yes, I want you to take only one material in one hand and many materials in other hand. 1 minute, I'll also bring children. 1 minute. Okay, here ma'am is having crayon in hand. I have one crayon in one hand and many crayons in other hand. Like this, you have to have one material in one hand and many materials in other hand.
Ma'am, Lakshana.
What, ma, Lakshana?
Ma'am, land transport. Talk about children.
Land transport. Okay, and the
Bus.
I am going to tell about bus.
It is here. So, it is. It's Ranam.
It's not land. What it is made of iron. Many people travel
By bus.
by bus. I like bus.
Thank you.
Lakshana.
Very good, Lakshana. Very good, very good. Now come on, let's do the activity. Very good, ma, Lakshana. Next is we are going to do the activity. One by one, you are going to take your material. Whatever material you have. Suppose if you have a chocolate, you are going to say one chocolate, many chocolates. Okay, you have to say it in the plural form, children. Okay, now ma'am is having crayon in my hand. So I am saying one crayon, many crayons. Okay, one crayon, many crayons. Okay, shall we start? First is Dev Krish. Start, ma.
Dev Krish and Lakshana.
Start, Dev Krish. One clip. Clips, very good. Dhanvin.
One pencil.
Dhanvin.
Many pencils.
Many pencils, very good. Okay, next is Janavi.
Mama. One bottle.
Very busy eating. Come on, Janavi.
One bottle.
Hmm.
One bottle.
Badam, very good. Okay. Hashini.
Yes, ma'am. pencil, many pencils.
Many pencils. Very good. Okay, next is Farnaz. Farnaz.
Balam, many balam.
Very good, ma Farnaz. Okay, Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan. Unmute. One block. Many blocks. Okay, very good. Kavyani. Good ma, good ma. Kavyani.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you bring?
One pencil and many pencils.
Pencils. Very good, very good. Next is Nitek. Nitek.
One sketch pen, many sketch pens.
Super Nitek. Very good. Nukshita. Nukshita. Nitila. Yeah, Nukshita. Asma?
Sketch pens.
Sketch pens. Ah, okay. You have to say one sketch pen, many sketch pens. Okay. Next is Nitila. Very good, Nukshita. Nitila.
One cashew nut.
One cashew nut. Which is one cashew nut? Show the one cashew nut.
One cashew nut.
Many
cashew nuts.
cashew nuts. Very good. Next is Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, ma.
One toy, many toys.
Many toys. Super. Next is Rohita.
Ma'am, I get one chocolate, many chocolates.
Super, ma. Ritvik.
One block, many blocks.
Block. Many.
One block, many blocks.
Many blocks. Why are you getting so angry? Okay, Vishank. Vishank.
One pencil. Show, ma'am. Show it to ma'am.
One.
Show it to ma'am.
One pencil.
Show. Hit it, show.
Many.
One pencil, many pencil.
Many pencil. Pencils.
Pencils.
Super. Okay, Vishank over. Vidyut.
Kanki, what's left?
One crayon, many crayon.
Good. Very good, ma Vidyut. Next is Vivan.
Thank you.
Then show one color pencil.
Vivan.
No, we need to.
Yes, ma Vivan. One pencil.
Many pencil. One
Many.
pencil color, many pencil color.
Many pencil color. Pencils. Okay. Last is Zeddy. Zeddy.
One pencils.
One pencil, wrong. One pencil.
Many pencils.
Many pencils.
Many pencils. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow I want another set of 3 objects, one and many, and morning itself we have to say that activity. Okay. So thank you so much for your cooperation, children. Bye, children. Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye. Yeah, bye, children.
Bye.
Yes,